Thomas Edward Patrick Brady Jr., born August 3, 1977, is an American former professional football quarterback who played in the National Football League NFL for 23 seasons. He spent his first 20 seasons with the New England Patriots and was a central contributor to the franchise's dynasty from 2001 to 2019. In his final 3 seasons, he played for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Brady is widely regarded as the greatest quarterback of all time. After playing college football for the Michigan Wolverines, Brady was selected 199th overall by the Patriots in the 6th round of the 2000 NFL Draft, later earning him a reputation as the NFL's biggest draft steal. He became the starting quarterback during his 2nd season, which saw the Patriots win their first Super Bowl title in Super Bowl 36. As the team's primary starter for 18 seasons, Brady led the Patriots to 17 division titles, including 11 consecutive from 2009 to 2019, 13 AFC Championship games, including 8 consecutive from 2011 to 2018, 9 Super Bowl appearances, and 6 Super Bowl titles, all NFL records for a player and franchise. He joined the Buccaneers in 2020 and won Super Bowl LV, extending his individual records to 10 Super Bowl appearances and 7 victories. In 2024, Brady became the lead color commentator for the NFL on Fox and a partial owner of the Las Vegas Raiders. Brady holds many major quarterback records, including most career passing yards, completions, touchdown passes, and games started. He is the NFL leader in career quarterback wins, quarterback regular season wins, quarterback playoff wins, and Super Bowl Most Valuable Player MVP awards, and the only Super Bowl MVP for 2 different franchises. Additional accolades held by Brady include the most Pro Bowl selections and the first unanimous NFL MVP. The only quarterback to win a Super Bowl in 3 separate decades, Brady is also noted for the longevity of his success. He was the oldest NFL MVP at age 40, the oldest Super Bowl MVP at age 43, and the oldest quarterback selected to the Pro Bowl at age 44. Brady is the only NFL quarterback named to 2 All-Decade Teams 2000s and 2010s and was unanimously named to the 100th Anniversary All-Time Team in 2019. Thomas Edward Patrick Brady Jr. was born on August 3, 1977, in San Mateo, California, the only son and 4th child of Gal and Patricia, and Thomas Brady Sr. Brady was raised Catholic. His mother has Swedish, Norwegian, German, and Polish ancestry, while his father is of Irish descent. Brady has said his father is 100% Irish. In the 1980s, Brady regularly attended San Francisco for 9 Earths games at Candlestick Park, where he was a fan of quarterback Joe Montana. Brady has called Montana his idol and one of his inspirations. Aged 4, Brady attended the 1981 NFC Championship against the Dallas Cowboys, in which Montana threw the catch to Dwight Clark. Brady attended football camp at the College of San Mateo, where he was taught to throw by camp counselor and future NFL, AFL quarterback Tony Graziani. Despite the rivalry between the teams, Brady grew up as a Los Angeles Lakers and Boston Celtics fan. Brady attended Junipero Serra High School in San Mateo, where he graduated in 1995. He played football, basketball, and baseball in high school. He played against Bellarmine College preparatory rival Pat Burrell in football and baseball. Brady began his career as the backup quarterback on the Padres junior varsity team. At first, Brady was not good enough to start on the 0-8 junior varsity team, which had not scored a touchdown all year. Brady ascended to the starting position when the main quarterback was injured. He became the varsity starter in his junior year and held it until he graduated. By Brady's senior year, he was striving to be noticed by college coaches. He created highlight tapes and sent them to schools he considered attending. 29, this led to interest from many football programs. The process of recruiting before the internet was very different. Athletes' rankings were not as prominent. In the 2000s, Brady would have been considered a 3- or 4-star recruit and a highly rated prospect. Brady was on Blue Chip Illustrated and a Prep Football Report All-American selection. After his recruiting process, he narrowed his list to 5 schools, probably the ones that we did hear from, and ultimately paired the list to were Cal Berkeley, UCLA, USC, Michigan, and Illinois, his father said. As a Cal Berkeley fan, his father hoped Brady would attend the nearby school, where Brady was a silent commit, and that he would be able to watch his son play. Brady was also known as a great baseball player in high school. He was a left-handed batting catcher with power. His skills impressed MLB scouts, and he was drafted in the 18th round of the 1995 MLB draft by the Montreal Expos. After the team brought Brady to Candlestick Park to work out with players, an unusual decision. The Expos projected Brady as a potential all-star, with then GM Kevin Malone claiming Brady had the potential to be one of the greatest catchers ever. The team offered him money typical of that offered to a late 2nd round or early 3rd round pick, but Brady was recruited by football assistant Bill Harris to play for the University of Michigan in 1995. Brady became the last active athlete drafted by the Expos. He finished his high school career by completing 236 of 447 passes, 53% for 3,702 yards and 31 touchdowns. Brady won all state and all Far West honors and the team's Most Valuable Player award. During the summers of 1998 and 1999, Brady was an intern at Merrill Lynch. He was inducted into the Junipero Serra High School Hall of Fame in 2003. When Brady visited the school in 2012, after Super Bowl 46, administrators announced that they named the football stadium Brady Family Stadium. Retirement on February 1st, 2023, Brady announced on social media that he was retiring for good. He filed his retirement papers with the NFL and NFLPA 9 days later. During a halftime ceremony on September 10th, 2023, the Patriots' first game of the season, Robert Kraft announced he would waive the traditional 4-year post-retirement waiting period required for Brady's candidacy to the Patriots Hall of Fame, as well as directly inducting him without the customary ballot. His induction took place on June 12, 2024, the date chosen in reference for the number of championships Brady won in New England, as June is the 6th month of the year and with his jersey number representing the day in the first Patriots Hall of Fame induction ceremony to take place within Gillette Stadium. Brady was the first person in Gillette Stadium history to become a keeper of the light, ringing the bell in the newly redesigned lighthouse. In the presence of his family, former teammates, coaches, friends, as well as a crowd of over 60,000 fans at Gillette Stadium, the Patriots celebrated Brady's career with the franchise in a dedicated 3-hour event. After speaker panels and video tributes, he was inducted as the 35th member of the Patriots Hall of Fame. Brady delivered a heartfelt speech to the crowd, declaring, "All our lives take us on different journeys. They take us to different places. They bring different people into our lives. But one thing I am sure of, and that will never change, is that I am a Patriot for life." In an Instagram post in December 2023, reflecting on the year, Brady stated that he heavily considered unretiring a second time in May 2023 to play the 2023 season, but was forced to decide against it when his friends hosted a surprise retirement party for him. On June 12, 2024, prior to the induction ceremony, Governor Maura Healey declared June 12th officially Tom Brady Day in Massachusetts. Kraft announced that the franchise would formally retire Brady's number 12 jersey and revealed that a 12-foot-tall statue of Brady was being constructed to be placed at the Patriots Hall of Fame building. The statue of Tom Brady, displayed in front of Gillette Stadium, was unveiled in a public ceremony on August 8, 2025. In March 2026, a 48-year-old Brady revealed that he had inquired about coming out of retirement to once again play in the NFL. But the league balked at the idea due to his status as part owner of the Las Vegas Raiders and the issues it would cause with the salary cap. Brady then confirmed that he was still happily retired. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.